Conquer debt and take control of your future this sorted money month. Here's some more advice and tips from Christine Liggins, CEO of Debtfix.
A good solution if you've got lots of debt, like over $25,000, $30,000, $40,000 worth of debt, could be a creditor's proposal. And that is an agreement with your creditors to pay X amount a month or week. And again, that might not be 100 cents in the dollar, that could be part payment of your debts, but the creditors have to agree to this. And this actually goes through the court, so there's a little bit of cost in that. Now, this solution doesn't particularly affect your credit rating as bad as any of the other ones we've mentioned, sort of like a debt repayment or a bankruptcy. This one does affect it slightly, but not for a long period of time. And this is a good one if you can afford to pay quite a bit of money back. So you're on, you're on a middle income probably, and you've got, like I said, quite a lot of debt, maybe 40 or 50,000. Look, when you come to us, don't be scared of the amount of debt you've got. One of my clients, his amount of debt was $6 million. So hey, if you owe less than $6 million, come and talk to us, and don't be shy and embarrassed. We'll just work with it. We'll just get you through this phase. Another solution that Debtfix does is ShipShape. Now, we designed ShipShape in the COVID years. You remember those? We designed it with the banks. It's similar to other court-ordered solutions, but this one doesn't affect your credit rating the same. It's still a legally binding agreement with your creditors, and again, we might not be paying all your debt back. But basically, once the solution is complete, any debt that was included in the solution would be wiped at the end of it. We're just trying to make things more manageable for you. Things have changed. You were all right when you got the debt out, but now, you might be on less income. You might have had a partner previously and now you're on your own. So things are a little bit harder for you. So we just try to make these solutions a little bit easier for you. So there are quite a few different solutions available. You might be considering a debt consolidation loan for all your debts, and then you only have one payment to make. Now, there's pitfalls to this, because if you've got some of your debt on 0% or even, 11%, and you might have some higher at 22, 34%, yeah, there are high interest rates like that. Your debt consolidation loan might only be sort of 17, 18%. Which is all right for the higher interest ones, but not the lower ones. You're going to be paying more on those. Might be more convenient for you because you're only paying one payment a month. But, let's have a look at it in the long term. Is there a better way we can do it rather than consolidating debt? We talk through that with you and see what the best options for you are and whether a debt consolidation loan would be a good thing or not.
Confidential, non-judgmental, no obligation, and advice free of charge. Get in touch with Debtfix today. Debtfix.co.nz